Hello, are you a designer that likes things done differently, or one that yearns for ideas and ways to make things better? We have something interesting for you. For the month of May, Perxels is coming up with a series titled Designers Now Founders. This series is going to run for the whole of May to encourage and inspire young designers, create solutions that will add value to more lives and can lead to the startup of new companies and businesses. We believe aspiring designers can take up even more responsibility of creating bigger solutions and solving more problems. Join us every Saturday in the month of May as we gain knowledge from seasoned designers that are now founders. Joining us will be Victor of Fort Canvas, James of ADP List, Ayo of Acumen Digital, and Nadi of UXHR. Visit perxels.com to register. It promises to be amazing and you should definitely not miss this. Get ready.